Rubbermaid 60-piece food storage containers offer a reliable and efficient solution for storing your food while keeping it fresh and organized. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I am pleased to share my review of this versatile food storage system. The Rubbermaid 60-piece food storage containers come in clear and red colors, allowing you to easily identify the contents inside. The clear containers are particularly helpful when you need to quickly locate a specific ingredient or meal. The red lids are not only visually appealing, but also add a touch of vibrancy to your kitchen. Constructed from high-quality plastic, these containers are sturdy and durable. They are designed to be reusable, reducing wastage and promoting sustainability. Additionally, the plastic material ensures that these containers are microwave-safe, allowing you to conveniently heat or reheat your food without transferring it to another dish. The dishwasher-safe feature.
Food storage contain Gladware, soup and salad food storage containers. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Gladware soup and salad food storage containers, and I must say I am quite impressed. As someone who has been in the product marketing industry for over 10 years, I have come across numerous food storage solutions, but this product stands out for several reasons. First and foremost, the brand reputation of Glad speaks volumes for the quality and reliability of their products. With years of experience in the market, Glad has consistently delivered on their promise of providing functional and durable food storage solutions. These containers are no exception. In terms of design, the Gladware soup and salad food storage containers feature a standard color and a practical plastic material. The simplicity in color ensures that the containers blend seamlessly with any kitchen decor, while the use of high-quality plastic guarantees their longevity. Moreover, the material features Amazon Basics, glass locking lids. Food storage containers are an excellent addition to any kitchen. With their durable construction and functional design, these containers offer a convenient and reliable solution for storing and organizing your food. One of the standout features of these containers is their glass material. Glass is known for being food-safe and resistant to stains and odors. This ensures that your food remains fresh and free from any unwanted smells. The clear color of the glass also allows you to easily identify the contents of each container, making meal prep and storage a breeze. The locking lids are another great feature of these food storage containers. Made of high-quality silicone, the lids provide an airtight seal, ensuring that your food stays fresh for longer. The locking mechanism is secure and easy to use, guaranteeing that your containers won't leak or spill, even when you're on the go.
Storage container. Rubbermaid. Brilliance BPA, free food storage containers, are an exceptional addition to any kitchen. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and extensive writing expertise, I can confidently say that these containers are a standout choice for consumers seeking reliable food storage solutions. One of the most noteworthy aspects of the Rubbermaid Brilliance containers is their material composition. Made from a combination of crystal glass and plastic, these containers offer a unique blend of durability and versatility. The crystal clear construction allows for easy identification of stored items, eliminating the need to open each container to find what you need. The use of glass material ensures that the containers are resistant to stains and odors, providing a clean and fresh storage environment for your food. Additionally, the plastic component is BPA-free, guaranteeing the safety and health of users. The capacity of the Rubbermaid. Brilliance containers.
The Iris USA 32-quart stackable plastic storage bins from the brand. Iris are an excellent storage solution for individuals and organizations alike. With their clear color and plastic material, these storage bins provide durability and visibility, making it easy to organize and locate items. One of the standout features of these storage bins is their stackable design. This special feature allows users to maximize their storage space by vertically stacking the bins on top of one another. Whether you need to declutter your home or organize supplies in a warehouse, these stackable bins prove to be an efficient and space-saving solution. The Iris USA 32-quart stackable plastic storage bins come in a pack of 6, offering ample storage capacity for various items. Their 32-quart size provides enough room to store household items, office supplies, toys, and much more. With 6 bins in one pack, users have the flexibility to categorize items and create a well-organized storage system.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.